As you can see, we got some flowers right here. This is nature's way of life, you know, with the birds and just every nature's, and these red pretty flowers. The flowers are so great, and you got the other ones here with the cane and some red flowers. So basically this topic is about flowers now. Let me squeeze in the goat a little bit to make you see. See her there? As you can see, I'm petting her. Let's go back to the flowers now. The flowers are pretty. Well, as you can see there are mackerels. And you got the other red flowers. And remember to like, subscribe, share to other friends.